Welcome guys, in this video I want to show you how you can pair your AirPods Pro 2nd generation with your MacBook. Okay, so first of all we have to charge them at least to 30%. At the bottom you can find input for the lightning cable. Next you have to open the case, then rotate like that, click and hold this back button, click and hold it right now until this indicator on the front starts blinking like that. Next, you have to release that button and do not close this case. For sure, earbuds you have to put inside the case, put it close to your MacBook and then go for the Bluetooth settings right here. Or you can also go for the settings if you cannot locate this Bluetooth button on your taskbar. Go for the Bluetooth right here from the system preferences. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping at this place. As you can see, they appears right here, so we have to click on them once. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's turn off Bluetooth and turn it on back, because in some reason they are okay. I know they were previously connected. Sorry guys, that's my bad. So we have to click connect right here when they appears in the list, and then you can enable the Hey Siri, or you can skip whatever you want. As you can see right now we are connected. So next what you have to do, go for the main settings, go for the sound, and just be sure that your sound it's automatically switched the output and input. As you can see in my case, it's still on the MacBook speakers and the MacBook microphone. So we have to select the AirPods right here, and the same for the output. Right now we'll be able to use them with our MacBook. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.